Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have a Hampton Bay ceiling fan in my patio. And unfortunately, the remote died. So I was at a complete loss of how to control my fan until I found a replacement remote. So this exactly replaced the remote that I already had, the original remote for the Hampton Bay fan. I love the fact that the remote has a holder so I can simply place it on the wall and I'm never going to lose it because I know exactly where it is. It has a reverse button, which is excellent, and of course speeds 1 through 6. One thing I will say is that with this particular remote, 1 is the highest speed and 6 is the lowest. So it took some time for me to figure that out, but other than that, there's been absolutely no issues. This remote worked exactly as it should, and it completely replaced the one that I broke that came with the original fan. So it was an absolute lifesaver to find this remote. It works for my Hampton Bay ceiling fan out in my patio. It does everything I need it to do, and it even has a little wall holder so that I can place it right by the door of my patio so I always know where my remote is. I'm so happy with this replacement, and that is my point of view.